Take a little bit of buttercream, place it on the base of the board there so the cake will stick. And I will go ahead and take this and pop it straight down this way. Take a little bit more buttercream. If you want to fill, this is such a small cake that I'm just going to put buttercream in it, but if you're going to do a larger cake like an 8-inch or something, yeah, you could definitely go ahead and put a dam of icing around it and place some filling in there. Okay, so just kind of spread that out. And then take my 6-inch cakes, which I've already kind of cut these in half. So I will take this one. Let's see. This one's already cut, yeah. Okay, pop it face down this way. A little bit of buttercream on top. Okay, take the next one, take the paper off the bottom, place that there, and before I put this on, I want to see if I want to use all of this cake or just half of this last 5-inch cake. I've cut it in half to see. I could end it here, or I can make it a little taller, which that won't really look right to me, so I'm going to go ahead and just use it this way. So that means I'm not using this cake right here. All right, so let me take this, a little bit more buttercream. And notice how I'm putting it so the crown of the cake is this way. Normally we would place it down, or normally we'd actually use the nicer piece of cake up here. But since the pumpkin is rounded on the edges and we are going to actually cut in a little bit here where the stem would be, I'll just go ahead and place it on the cake this way. That way I don't have to do as much carving right here. Okay, so now what I want to do is just kind of get this thicker edge off here. Okay, and then this one right here, I need to take this in like this way. And then I'm just going to take a tiny bit of this chocolate off here at the base. Okay, and then the other thing I want to do before I ice it is cut in. I want to cut in at the top where the stem will go. So in here, just cutting around a circular kind of motion. See that part? Take that out. A little bit more. And then I want to cut some little grooves in this. Okay, so let's see where I can do this so you can see it the best way. I'll just do it here. So I just cut the knife kind of V-shape like this in. See that? And then come down here. Okay, and I'll just do this all the way around. So here's what it looks like all the way around. Now what I need to do is cut down that board on the base there. So just pick it up, take your scissors, and cut all the way around here. Then what I need to do is place this on a board that's just a little bit larger, just so I can ice it and it's easier to handle. Okay. And just take some thin white buttercream to ice it. Okay, so this is going to be covered in rolled fondant, so we're going to use orange fondant a little bit later, but we do need to place a crumb coat of icing over it first. Start at the top here, and then kind of base go down. Let me turn it to the side so you can see it a little easier.